I'm Andrea Scuderi, working for Bonatti, and I'm the head of commercial for Pipeline and Europe. Bonatti provides services on the energy industries. We have mainly three business units. The first one is pipeline and plants, pipelines of pretty much any size. And when I say plants, I mean CPF, refineries, power plants, compressor stations or storage facilities. Then we have a business unit dedicated to the operation and maintenance, as well as the well production enhancement. And then we have a business unit which we call the Green System Business Unit, which is dedicated to projects such as biogas, hydrogen, as well as carbon capture, like the project that we have currently ongoing in Netherlands with Porthos Gasoni. The TOGC, I brought a case study about one of our projects in Canada. In particular, we were building a pipeline along 89 kilometers. And in this particular project, we had to cross a dry gulch. So it was very complex from the geomorphological and geotechnical point of view. So I explained to the audience how we have overcome this challenge. Of course, the audience was happy about the presentation, so I'm very proud of it. And yes, after the presentation, many companies came to me. They asked for some details, technical details. I wouldn't bother you with the details, but I received a very nice feedback. I was very satisfied. You know, I was at your conference last year in Istanbul, and I have to say that you have managed to put together a very nice roster of companies. So I was very satisfied yesterday, and I'm looking forward to this second day of the conference. I believe that, you know, many of the speakers in this convention, they addressed the topic of the role of pipeline, you know, on this energy transition. So this is a very important topic because, you know, as a company working on this industry, we need to adapt. So it's nice to hear different thoughts, you know, from several people on this specific topic. So I think this is what I'm bringing home from this conference.